In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix App Market. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with cool features or streamline your site's functionality, the Wix App Market is your go-to destination. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this powerful tool. To get started, you'll first need to head over to Wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up and begin your web journey. Once you're logged in, click on the Select and Edit Site button to choose the website you'd like to work on. This will be the site where you want to install new apps and features. With your site selected, navigate to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on this to access the App Market. This section opens up a world of possibilities for your site, allowing you to browse through a variety of applications designed to enhance both the visual appeal and functionality of your website. Inside the App Market, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is your gateway to discovering new and exciting apps. Click on the search bar and simply type in the name of any app you're interested in. For this tutorial, let's type Instagram feed, new, as an example. This app is perfect for showcasing a dynamic feed of your Instagram content directly on your site, engaging visitors with visually stunning social media content. Once you've typed in the app name, you'll see a list of search results. Click on Instagram feed, new, to learn more about what this app offers. You'll be directed to a detailed page that describes the app's features and benefits. Here, you'll find user reviews, screenshots, and additional information that can help you decide if this app is the right choice for your site. After reviewing the details and you're satisfied with your choice, click on Add to Site. This process installs the app directly onto your website. Most apps on the Wix App Market offer a free version, with options to upgrade for even more advanced features. This flexibility allows you to test out apps before committing to premium plans. Finally, with the app successfully added to your site, it's time to manage and customize it to suit your needs. You can adjust settings, integrate it seamlessly with your existing layout, and watch as it enhances your site's functionality. The Wix App Market is continually updated with new apps, so checking back often can keep your site at the cutting edge. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making your Wix site more engaging and functional through the Wix App Market. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.